Are you tired of the same old commute? Are you ready to take control of your daily travels and experience the freedom of the open road? Look no further than Dahon, pioneers and leaders in folding bikes since 1982. With Dahon, you can easily take your bike with you wherever you go, whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just exploring the city. Our compact folding bikes are perfect for every occasion. The Dahon Mini 349 offers outstanding performance, practicality, and a lightweight design. The frame and front fork are made of lightweight aluminum alloy and is equipped with a high-performance 9-speed finger shifting system and reliable mechanical disc brakes. This bike excels in versatile conditions, including flat roads and rough terrain. But don't let the size of these bikes fool you. They're big enough to fill your ambitions of freedom and take you on any adventure you can dream of. Plus, with their compact size and lightweight design, they're easy to transport and store. You can even bring your folding bike with you in your car, on an airplane, or on public transportation. In addition to the convenience and versatility of a folding bike, there are many other benefits to choosing Dahon. Using a bike for your daily travels will save you money on transit fares and parking fees, provide you with essential exercise, and reduce your carbon emissions. And with a folding bike, you can always keep it with you, providing added security and peace of mind. Join the Dahon community today and discover the power of compact mobility and urban commuting. Unlock the freedom to ride anywhere, anytime with the Dahon folding bike.